Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Nesquil. Nesquil has 400 milligrams of linezolid in every tablet. The box has 10 tablets in it. It's made by Continental Pharmaceuticals and the price for the box is 800 rupees. Linezolid is an antibiotic used to treat certain serious bacterial infections. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections. It will not work for viral infections such as common cold, flu, etc. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. Linezolid also belongs to a class of drugs called MAO inhibitors. It can increase the levels of certain natural substances in the body such as dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, which can increase the chance of certain side effects and food and drug interactions. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually every 12 hours. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to the treatment. For children, the dosage is also based on age and weight, and they may be directed to take this medication every 8 hours. To prevent a very serious high blood pressure reaction, it is very important that you follow a special diet recommended by your doctor or dietitian to limit your intake of tyramine while you are taking this medication. To the best effect, take this antibiotic at evenly spaced times. To help you remember, take this medication at the same time every day. Continue to take this medication until the full prescribed amount is finished. Even if symptoms disappear after a few days, stopping the medication too early may result in a return of the infection. Some side effects of this medication are diarrhea, headache, nausea, vomiting or dizziness. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including deep, fast breathing, unusual drowsiness, nausea, vomiting that doesn't stop, numbness, tingling of the feet, hands, unusual tiredness, easy bruising or bleeding. Get medical help right away if you have any very serious side effects, including muscle stiffness, increased sweating, vision changes, blurred vision, change in color vision, loss of vision, mental or mood changes such as agitation, confusion, seizures, etc. This medication may increase serotonin and rarely causes a very serious condition called serotonin syndrome toxicity. The risk increases if you are also taking other medications that increase serotonin. So tell your doctor or pharmacist of all the drugs that you take. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.